Hi, I'm Naina, and together with my teammate Mokshit, I'll be presenting our project NightSafe, the cost of doing nothing simulator. Cities only have so much money for night safety. Lighting, patrols, call boxes, the budget never covers everywhere. So which streets do you fix first? Most cities look at where crimes was reported and send help there. But that just sends resources back to where police already were. This is night safe. Before a planner spends based on past crime, which only sends money back where police already were. After they see every street ranked by risk, the cost of acting versus waiting, and a reason for each, a decision they can actually defend.
NightSafe scores about 4100 corridors from 0 to 100. The important choice is what it scores from. It uses the street itself, how well lit it is, how far from the nearest police station or hospital, how many controlled intersections, real traffic volume. It never uses past crime to make the score. That's deliberate so it doesn't just point back to where police already concentrated. Here are the top priority corridors, real Philadelphia streets ranked. Look at these two columns. Model risk is our structural prediction. Past reported crime is the actual history shown right next to it. But the model never uses it. We keep them separate on purpose. The model finds risky streets from their features. The planner sees the crime history too and uses judgment. Let's just take one corridor, North Broad Street. The model scores it 79, high risk, and it explains why in its own words. Distance from help and food traffic raise the risk. Then the simulator runs the cost of doing nothing. Watch this. Do nothing, about 135 incidents over 5 years. Add patrols, it drops to 57. Full intervention, 34. That's the whole idea. Doing nothing is the expensive choice. And the gap grows every year because risk compounds. Now, the part we are proudest of building this. We caught ourselves cheating 3 times. Our first model scored much higher, but a feature was secretly built from the crime we were predicting. So it was peeking at the answer. So we removed it. Then we found two more, including income, which meant the model was treating poor neighborhoods as dangerous. We measured the bias. With income in the model, our fairness gap was 0.62. We took income out completely and it dropped to 0.25. We chose a fairer model over a higher score. Our honest R squared is 0.26, and on a problem like this, a much higher number usually means the answer leaked in.
Next, we calibrate the simulator against real studies of what lighting and patrols actually do. Add a few more honest street features like transit stops, and pilot it with one police district to test it against real outcomes.
NightSafe never makes the final call. It ranks, it explains, it shows cost as ranges, not false precision, and a human planner decides where the money goes. It turns a hard budgeting question into something a city can see, justify, and stand behind. That's NightSafe. Thank you.